Psalm 44. Blessed by the one who trusts the Yahweh. Amen.
Amen.
Psalm 40 verse 8. I desire to do your will, Abba Yahweh. Amen.
Amen.
Psalm 42 verses. My soul was for Elohim. Amen.
Amen.
Psalm 43. Though you are Yahweh, my stronghold. Amen.
Amen.
Psalms 46:1. Elohim is a refuge. Amen.
Amen.
Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, do it for the Yahweh. Amen.
Amen.
Happy Sabbath!
Happy Sabbath.